What is down, my uppers? We are back on Cause Just 3. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. Welcome back to Just Cause 3. I am still fucking sick, but I'm so much better than the last video. Well, anyway, honestly, this video, I honestly just wanna have fun. I just wanna like troll, you know, like do this or some shit. Too late. Oh, never. Holy shit! No!
Bye, have a great time.
No, I didn't. Alright, I'm just gonna troll every fucking thing. Okay, anyway, I wanna do something fun. Let's see. I mean, I wanna go to somewhere with big buildings. Oops. Bye bye. Fucking Superman. Yes. You go to him and him go to you. Now everybody. Hey! Why you release? You go back there. Oh, you wanna join the holy shit? Alright, join the party. Woo! Everybody go in. Hey! No. I'm gonna be like Spider-Man. Let's... Hey, here's the bad guys. Oh my god, this is so fucked up. Right, I'm gonna get all of them there. Oh, is there a limit? Only 2? Serious? Oh, sorry. Holy shit. That's a big ship. Can I drive it? Holy shit, I can drive it. Holy shit. Oh, goodbye. Alright. Oh, I know. God damn it, it's easier to just walk like that. Let's go, statue! Woo! Wait, hey, it's not connected. What? Why is it not connected? Alright, now it is connected. Woo! Woo! Oh, I died! No woo! Fuck! Oh. Yes! I will lead you to victory! What? Yes! Yes, grappling old ladies is funny. Goodbye. Hey, 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 take your husband too. Holy shit, she's still... What the fuck? Oh my... Look at this shit. Alright, let's leave the old lady. I don't know. I didn't do shit. Oh my fucking god. How do you fucking do this? With the glider? Like, how do you release the fucking rope? What else can we do on this game? Well, first, let's steal this. Hello, old man. You come with me. Hello, soldier. I need gun. Hello. Let's go for a walk. Yes. Hey! Hey, 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 soldier boy. Okay, soldier boys don't like it. Oh. What are you doing to my car? You come with me. You are... This is not a snake. Do not disrespect my... Hey! Oh my god. Oh my... Yes! Fucking hell. Let's go, old man. Oh. How the fuck did you die? Hello, ladies. We're going... Okay, sure. Oh my fucking god. Well... Oh, so soldiers can release themselves. Okay. Then you're the chosen one. Yes. Don't worry, we are going on a walk. We're going to have fun. Oh my god. Fucking hell, this lady is so fucking heavy. What have you been eating, man? Holy shit, look at this. How heavy are you? Let's go, my pets. Yes. Oh my god. What the fuck? No! Why the... Yes. You need help. I am here to help. Hey, he was in front of me, okay? Is he alive? Oh, he's alive! Yes! Hello, darkness, my old friend. Okay, so... You take this. Holy fuck. That's not what I wanted to do. What happened to your car? Wait, come back. What happened to your car? Let me see again. What is that? Oh, wow. You really fucked your car. Let me honor it. Wait. Raise it slowly. Raise it slowly. A little bit more. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. It is a good car. You like the... Alright, fuck you then. Bye bye. What? Why you run me over, motherfucker? Hey!
Great. Now pick up that informant. Don't attract any heat, or you'll give yourself away.
Oh, really? Yes. I didn't actually mean to do that. Oh, you got the vroom. You picked that up again. Oh. Yes, you look at your vroom. I got a present for you. Woo! Oh, it did not blow up. Fuck. Oh, wrong weapon. Woo! Just looked like such a fucking psycho. Whatever, it is a game. Woo! Holy shit! Woo! Can I... Why can't I... Hey, let me in. Oh yes, is that it? You don't want to let me in. I will open this door. Even if it's the last thing I do. Oh, so you don't want to open, huh? You don't want to open, huh? I got something for you then. Now you open. Oh. Didn't even blow up. What? Oh! You open! Yes, you open. It worked. Yes. Oh my fucking god. You weren't supposed to leave your car.
Oh, this should be interesting.
Oh, you like it, huh? Woo! Hey, you want to join them? Join them. Get in the car. What are you looking at? You want to join them too? Keep going. Yes. Keep going. Let's go to the city. I don't think this is a good idea, trying to cross this shit. Alright, there is a boat. Yes, thank you, boat. Oh my god. Oh my god, I wanna do this. I wanna fucking do this. Ah, I didn't do it. Alright, let's try again. Right time. Ah! Use the fucking thing. What the fuck? Oh my god. Alright, this is it. This is... Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Holy shit. It's not that hard. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. The speed is... Ah! No, I'm still going. Ah! I'm still going. Oh my fucking god. Yes! Oh my god. No, I'm still... Ah! Ah, it was so fucking close. You know what? I'm gonna try that shit all I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna try all that shit again. Yes, and I'm gonna use that bike to get back. Right, let's go again. Fuck! I'm sorry. What the fuck is going on? Nah! Fuck. Oh! Fuck! Ah, come on. Fucking hell, it did my fucking... Fuck. Why did it go for the wall? Is it fucking... Oh my god. Oh my... No! No! Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking... This fucking scooter! This fucking scooter! It's always the fucking scooter! You fucking... Ah! You fucking puta! Come back here! Come the fuck back here! Why'd you do it? It's not even a scooter. Why'd you do it? Why want to shoot while you're on that bike? You know what? You go with them. Yes. Fuck you. I hope you're dead. You're not dead? Oh, don't worry. Don't worry. I will help you. Die, motherfucker. Yes. Gonna fucking do this. Never give up. Oh. What? What the fuck? Fuck yeah! I fucking did it! Oh. Ah. Fuck yes. But I don't know why I did that fucking moaning sound, but whatever. I fucking did it. Fuck yes. Fuck. Can I even do it backwards now? No, I can't. I'm not even gonna try it. Fuck it. I did it. I did it. Fuck everybody. Fuck everything. I knew I could do it. Fucking hell. This was actually hard. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, this game is, like, so fucking fun. The amount of shit you can do it in this game, it's just amazing. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will definitely play more. I mean, I still got the story to pass. next video I will continue a bit of I will continue a bit of the story, and yeah, I hope to see you guys there. See ya. Woo. Oh.